It was a cold evening. And little Zaid hadn't eaten all day. His mother, Layla, sat beside him, pretending she wasn't hungry. But her hands shook. And her eyes, she had only one thing left. Of value, her wedding ring. The last memory of her husband, who had passed away 2 winters ago. The ring was simple. But to her, it meant everything. That night, as her son slept, crying from hunger, Layla quietly walked to a nearby pawn shop. The man behind the counter looked at the ring and offered her just $30. She paused, held the ring close to her lips, and then she let it go. She bought bread, rice, and a little fruit. For the first time in days, her son smiled while eating. He said, "Mama, this is the best meal ever." "Thank you." She smiled, fighting tears. Not because of the food, but because she had finally done what mothers always do, choose love over everything else. Years passed. That same little boy, Zaid, grew up and became a successful chef. One day, he surprised his mother on stage, during a national award show. In front of thousands, he said, "She sold her ring to feed me. But today, I'm buying her a home, a business, and a life of peace." Layla wept, holding the new gold ring he placed in her hand. But to her, the real treasure was her son's heart. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more stories.